Music. Welcome to this Babylon Health review. Check the description below for links. Babylon Health offers comprehensive telehealth, combining AI and expert healthcare professionals for accessible, affordable, and efficient medical services. Perfect for individuals seeking convenient care, and for employers and health systems wanting better patient care and lower costs. Babylon Health's AI Symptom Checker analyzes your information to offer potential diagnoses and guidance before connecting you with a provider. Quickly assess your symptoms and decide if you need professional attention. Schedule virtual video consultations with licensed doctors, therapists, or specialists. These secure, HIPAA-compliant appointments address everything from general health concerns to mental health support. Babylon Health prioritizes personalized care. Track your health metrics, access your medical records, and receive tailored lifestyle recommendations. Manage chronic conditions like diabetes or hypertension with tools that ensure continuous care, minimizing in-person visits. Available on iOS and Android, Babylon Health's easy-to-use app makes healthcare accessible from anywhere. For employers and healthcare organizations, Babylon Health offers scalable solutions that integrate with existing benefits programs, improving employee wellness and reducing absenteeism and costs. Babylon Health is a cutting-edge telehealth solution blending advanced AI with professional medical care, offering both convenience and quality. Need quick answers, mental health support, or ongoing care for chronic conditions? This platform is your all-in-one solution. Learn more and try it yourself, links are in the description below.